In this video, I will show you how to use ManyChat on Facebook Messenger. So let's just begin. First of all, what we need to do is go to the settings option from our home screen on left side of your screen, and there you will get this messenger option. So this is a channel where you connect all your social media and different channels to apply your bots and different kind of activities. So you can see we can connect our messenger, and this is the page we got here. So this is the page on messenger. We can connect this, and once we do, it is going to be automatically detecting your page once you connect your Instagram and other social media, and automatically your messenger is going to be connected with this. So this is how simple it is, and if you want to unlock even more features, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 1 month of Pro on ManyChat completely for free. So check out the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you around in the next video.